Welcome to Venice, Italy, a city that looks like a dream floating on water. But did you know that Venice has been around for over 1,500 years? It was once one of the most powerful cities in the world. In this video, we'll explore its history, its beauty, and its challenges today. Let's begin.
Venice was founded in the 5th century. People came here to escape attacks from invaders. But instead of building their homes on land, they built them on islands, using wooden poles under the water. These poles have kept Venice standing for centuries. By the 9th century, Venice became a powerful trading city. Ships from Venice traveled to different countries, bringing silk, spices, and gold. It was like the Amazon of the medieval world. Venice was not just about trade, it was also home to great artists, architects, and inventors. That's why, even today, Venice looks like a masterpiece.
Venice is full of amazing places that attract millions of visitors every year. Let's explore some of the most famous ones. This is St. Mark's Basilica, one of the most beautiful churches in the world. It was built in the 11th century and is covered in gold mosaics. It was a symbol of Venice's wealth and power.
This is the Grand Canal, the main road of Venice. But instead of cars, people use boats and gondolas to travel. This is the Rialto Bridge, the oldest bridge in Venice. It has stood strong for over 400 years. This is Doge's Palace. Was once home to the rulers of Venice. It is full of beautiful paintings, secret tunnels, and even a hidden prison. Venice is famous for its delicious Italian food. If you visit, make sure to try fresh seafood pasta and the famous Venetian coffee.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos about historical and developed countries.